Hi, I'm Ambrosia. The universe tells us that when our life is organized and our surroundings are clean, success is much easier to obtain. And this is why Michael's Carpet Care and Grout should share a special place in our life. When it comes to clean carpets, there is no one better. They use the host system. This means when they're finished making your carpet sparkle, your surfaces are also dry to the touch. This is because of their low moisture process.
Thank you, Ambrosia. And for the rest of you out there, I'm Jasmine. Michael's Carpet Care, Tile and Grout employs the host dry extraction cleaning system. They do so because it's highly effective, innovative, consumer-friendly, and reliable. The results are astounding. So if you have carpets, tile, wood, or grout, we can serve all your floor cleaning needs. Michael's Carpet Care Tile and Grout is who you need to call if you require excellence. Call us today.